guys, this is my new calendar and we're going to look at it today. It's a slime advent calendar.
Open it up. Wow.
Wow, this is so amazing. All these slime we have, and we're going to show you how to do it. Here's our first time doing it. I'm going to mix it in now. Wow, look at how pretty this is, right, sister?
Yeah.
Isn't this amazing?
Yeah.
It looks so pretty. I'm going to pour some more. Wow. It is so beautiful right now.
Let's make some more.
Okay, sister. I'm ready to do it. And charms for all of them and the glitter. Perfect way to celebrate the season.
This is for ages 3 and up.
This is for ages 3 and up. Very high quality material. Want to feel? Want to feel, Steve?
Yeah. Really hard, squishy.
I want to get the sprinkles together, sister.